Good evening, everyone. My name is Kai, and today I'd like to talk about the most popular data storage and backup solution. First of all, there are many storage and backup methods nowadays. Second, internal hard drive, USB, and cloud storage. However, among the options, cloud storage is the most popular because it is simple, convenient, and widely used in personal and business life. For example, GoDrive and Dropbox are common cloud storage service that allow you to service asset and set it online anytime and everywhere. This means you can open the file even if you different device. Compared to external hard drive, cloud storage is much safer and more flexible. External driver can be lost, broken, or stolen, while cloud storage keep data online and often automatically backups of file. The main advantage of cloud storage and that it's easy to use, suspect and allow real-time collaboration. For instance, many people can edit the same document as one. However, the disadvantage is that it depends on a stable internet connection and same time there are security risks is a cloud is not well protected. In conclusion, cloud storage is modern and reliable solution that help us manage and protect our data more effectively. I believe it will continue to grow and become even more important in the future. Thanks for listening.